Calling this the official start of garden season. I'm going to show you how I built these hot tub tables out of pallets and scrap metal and repurpose this garbage umbrella. I was only able to get 9 in there, which is fine. But I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out.
Really good.
Spinach is good. I'd make this again. Let's make a DIY wheelbarrow compost sifter. This is working perfect. This is going to take a while.
Ow!
We're done. It's not as easy as a coconut liner, but it's free and I think it looks better.
The outside over the middle, one at a time.
This is a big cauliflower. I'm gonna have to weigh this thing.
I don't like the texture.
Oh, I love the texture. That's the best part.
I can't be without my Mima.
Oh, I'm a dick. But that's my favorite smell. What? What?
House is 6 by 8 and it probably cost me a total of right around $400 to build. Yeah, now what? Now what?
Oh,
Now what?
Oh my God!
You could call these artisanal and people would think you're fancy. Ended up with 5 quarts of regular dill pickles and 4 pints of moonshine pickles.
A great all-purpose pickle.
Now I'm going to see if I can get the old one out and the new one in before Lish gets home.
Oh my!
That is a full, healthy ear of corn.
Mmm. What?
All right, it's time to eat. All right, we're gonna get this stuff on the table and see if anyone wants to do some evening produce shopping. Cooler full of arrangements, ready to go. Lish did all these little arrangements with cute little poems and stuff on them. This is today's harvest.
Oh my.
So good. That's my favorite fresh salsa. This is delicious.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, those are good.
Those are very good. And this one is 15. I mean, the slime just dripping off of it is wild.
That's not slime. Syrup.
This is the salsa. I'll probably only let this ferment for 24 to 48 hours. And the hot sauce, I'll probably let this go at least a week. If I went to a restaurant and it was on the menu, I'd order it. Garden is all cleaned up for winter.